Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flip. You click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click in this sign and you will search about the application of Flip. In this window, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.